Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping targeted ads at the system level. Open Settings, go to Privacy then Ads, and turn off personalized ads so apps can't use your ad ID. Once done, reset the advertising ID to invalidate past profiles. Make sure Google Play Services and Play Protect are up to date so your changes apply consistently. This reduces personalized ad delivery and gives you a clean baseline to continue. Next, stop ads inside apps and browsers. Install a browser with integrated ad blocking or add an extension where supported, because that prevents trackers and banner ads. Then pick a DNS or local VPN ad blocker. It filters requests at the network level. This blocks many in-app ads without root. If an app offers a paid pro version to remove ads, buy it to support developers and eliminate persistent ad units. Make sure to test browsers and apps after configuration. Finish by removing residual ad sources. Clear caches, uninstall recently installed or suspicious apps, and revoke unnecessary permissions, especially background data and the ability to draw over other apps. Once done, reboot your phone to apply DNS or VPN rules and recheck affected apps. If ads persist, make sure your ad blocking VPN is active, verify DNS settings, and run a malware scan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.